Well, now that you know that you can use your old desktop and get back the start menu successfully, you've probably been already experimenting with all these other cool stuff on here, like the messaging, which is pretty cool. Um, all this stuff is really cool. But so there's a couple things I wanted to point out now, which is a lot different actually. So the two main things right now that are big is that if you take your mouse, you can all see it, go into the top right or the bottom right, you'll get this menu that pops up. And if you go on the menu, this is called the Charms menu. I don't know why, but anyway, you got some settings here, devices. One of the big things about devices is like a second screen. I don't have a second screen attached right now. But then go back here. This is also another button to go to the start menu. And there's a share icon here. I don't know, for sharing on Facebook or something. And then you got your search thing here. This is the new search box that you have found on Windows 7 or Windows Vista, that little search box in the start menu. Well, this replaces that. So you just click on that and then you'll get this thing that comes up and you just type away. And then that you'll find the near results. Or you could just look through all the stuff that you have on your computer right here in alphabetical order by name, which is pretty cool. Just hit the start button to get back to your start menu. And also over here, if you take your mouse and go to the top left, you'll get, oh, hold on. This only works if you have something else open. So it has multitasking. So if I want to open up my messaging, then I'll have this, and you can have a conversation with a bunch of people. But anyway, if you take go up in the left-hand corner, your mouse, this bar will pop up with any app you have open. Then you can just click on this to go there, and then if you go back up here, here's your desktop. So you can switch back and forth really easily between applications. So another thing is, remember how you could take two different tabs and put them like this, and then like this? Well, you can do that with applications too. So you just saw me, you can still do that in Windows 8, which is one of the coolest features out there. Which also helps with multitasking, but you can take this thing right here. You can right click on the messaging thing and go snap left or snap right or close, but you don't want to do that. Or you could just, if you go take your mouse all the way to the top of any application screen, you'll get like a little hand. If you click, you can drag this screen around. If you go all the way to the right, you'll get that bar, which means that you're gonna take it and you're gonna put it right there. And then just take that black bar or whatever color it is and drag it back out to get full screen. But what you can do also is just take this snap left, and a lot of the stuff will already go into a compact view. So you could easily be doing something on here and talking to your friends at the same time. So that is just another thing to do in Windows 8.